Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make a German no-bake biscuit cake named Kalter Hund. This cake is very quickly assembled and is a delicious treat on hot summer days as it is served right out of the fridge. You will find the link to the recipe in the description. Start with melting the coconut oil in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Then stir well. If there are still some solid pieces, then microwave the coconut oil for another 15 seconds. Stir again until completely liquid and set it aside to cool down. Next, blend the powdered sugar with the cocoa powder. Add the eggs and the rum and mix well. Then drizzle in the cooled down coconut oil and blend well. Line a bread pan with cling wrap and layer some of the chocolate mixture on the bottom. Arrange one layer of cookies on top of the chocolate. Repeat, layering chocolate and cookies alternatively, and finish with a chocolate layer. Now you just need to refrigerate the cake for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. Remove from the pan, cut it into slices and serve cool. Guten Appetit!